I bought $1,000 belt by accident.
$1,000
Because I didn't realize the exchange.
I'm a CEO.
CEO of
Yeah, of a tech startup. Yeah, their
Really?
company.
Startup?
Everyone's amazing and so kind, and
Okay.
it's so quiet compared
quiet.
to other big cities.
Hey guys, it's Yumi from English Boot Camp. 皆さんこんにちは。イングリッシュブートキャンプのユミです。今日もですね、大好評の外国人街頭インタビューシリーズというのをね、やっていきたいと思います。で、今回も俊平さんにね、これは新宿の方かなに行ってもらっています。で、使えるフレーズがね、たくさん出てきますので、そのあたりのね、解説をしていきたいと思いますね。本題に行く前に、私のプロフィールはこんな感じになっております。英語の発音コーチをしております。発音本ね、後ろにありますね。出しております。こちらも好評発売中です。それから3月10日からリスニングブートキャンプマスターコースがいよいよ第5期がスタートします。3ヶ月間のインテンシブ講座でリスニングを爆上げする講座です。私のグループコーチングとサポートが3ヶ月間ついてくる講座です。興味のある方は下の概要欄にリンク貼っておりますので、そこからぜひ詳細を見てみてくださいね。では俊平さん、お願いします。
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And could you tell us what your name is and where you're from?
My name is Patrick from Germany.
From Germany, okay.
Yeah, my name is Natasha. I'm also from Germany.
Also from Germany, okay. So is this actually your first time coming to Japan?
Not. It's my second time.
It's the second time,
Yeah.
okay. And how about for you?
For me, it's the first time.
It's the first time.
And the first day today.
Oh, first day today, so you just arrived here.
Yeah.
We arrived today at Haneda Airport.
At the Haneda Airport, you
Yeah.
guys both came together?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So which part of the cities are you from in Germany?
It's southwestern part in Germany. It's
Southwestern
next,
part of
next to France.
Okay.
And Luxembourg, maybe in.
Luxembourg, yes,
Yeah.
yes. I bet it was a quite long flight, right? From Germany to Japan. Like
Yeah.
more than 12 hours or
About 13 hours.
13 hours?
Yeah.
Was it a direct flight from here,
Yeah, yes.
Germany to
Yeah.
Japan? Ah, I see, I see.
Frankfurt to Haneda.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yes.
I know that it's only been like few hours, but have you visited like any restaurant already?
No,
No,
Not yet?
not yet.
Okay. But are you planning to visit some?
Yes.
we are just looking for a good place.
Okay, place. So what is your favorite Japanese food?
Sushi.
Sushi.
And ramen.
And a ramen?
Yeah.
Okay. I bet in Germany there are not many ramen noodle places like here in Japan.
Not so much.
Not so much.
Not so much.
But they're coming more and more.
So what type of the ramen do you like? You know, they're like kind of three
Tonkatsu.
flavors. Tonkatsu ramen? Oh, really? Okay, how about for you? What kind of ramen do you like?
Almost the same, yeah.
Almost the same?
Yeah.
What is your profession like in Germany? What do you do for a living? What is your job?
We both work for IKEA.
IKEA. Ah, I see, I see.
Yeah.
That's where you guys met in Germany, in IKEA, or?
No.
No? Okay. I know there are a lot of IKEAs here in Japan as well. I'm not sure if you are planning to visit there, but
Yes.
yeah. So when are you planning to go back to Germany? How long are you guys staying here for?
About 2 weeks.
Just 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay. Any plan to visit like other than Tokyo?
Yeah, Osaka, Kyoto,
Osaka, Kyoto.
also Hiroshima.
In Hiroshima. I see, I see.
I've been there 18 years before.
So I hope you enjoy the rest of your stays in Japan.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And thanks so much for your time.
No,
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you. Could you tell us what your name is and where you're from?
My name's Amanda.
Amanda?
We're all from Los Angeles.
Los Angeles.
Delaney.
Kristen.
Kristen, okay. Is this your first time to Japan?
Yes.
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 Okay. So how long have you been here in Japan so far?
3 days.
3 days.
Yes.
Okay, and you?
All of us
So
have been
all
here
of
for.
us are guys are
We're visiting our friend. She's
Uh-huh.
from here, but she was here for school.
Oh, school.
And then we
okay.
met her out here because it was on our bucket list.
Okay.
And yeah, now she's our tour guide.
tour guide, I see.
Just a little, throw it in there.
Okay. So have you guys visited like any other cities other than Tokyo or? Is
We
it
go to
just,
Kyoto tomorrow.
Kyoto tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
I see.
And then Hakone.
And Hakone. So how long are you guys gonna stay here in Japan?
A long time.
A long
Forever.
time. Forever.
Yes.
Really? So
Yeah,
you're
we're
gonna
never
stay here
leaving.
For good, huh?
Yeah, we love it.
Oh, you're gonna.
Yeah,
move
we're
in
gonna
here?
move here.
Really?
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay. But do you guys speak Japanese or do you know like a
Hi.
Japanese word?
no in Japanese. I don't even know how to say hi.
Ie.
What?
Ie.
Yeah.
Ie.
Yeah.
Means no in Japanese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
So have you guys had like any good Japanese food here, like ramen or sushi or
We're gonna go to the
yakiniku?
ramen that
You're
you're
just gonna
gonna
go
tell us.
right now?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the
I
ramen spot
see.
tonight.
Is this the first time having a noodle ramen here in Tokyo or
We had it the first night.
Maybe the second time we have it.
second time
Yeah.
you have it?
Yes.
Okay.
We've eaten a lot of the egg salad sandwiches from the Family Mart.
I
Yes,
see.
7-Eleven egg salad sandwiches.
7-Eleven.
It's our
I see.
favorite meal so far.
So what?
Shout out Family Mart.
So what kind of ramen did you have? You know, what kind of flavor was it? Like the
What
first
was
one you
it?
had?
It was with the spicy like chili paste we added,
Uh-huh.
and I had the one with pork
Uh-huh.
and with the egg. It was really good.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't know
Yes.
what it's called.
I see. So have you guys done a lot of shoppings? Like
Oh, so much shopping.
okay.
much
What did you guys
We
buy?
spent 3 days shopping.
3 days shopping. Okay.
We went to Capital.
Okay.
Spent the whole day.
We have a local, so we know all the things.
Right. She knows
Big
everything,
capital.
right?
I got
Big
these.
Capital. So you got
Yes.
that. Okay.
Yes.
And you did you buy anything here?
Yeah.
Yes, she got a jacket from Capital.
A jacket Capital.
And then we went to
living in a
vintage
Capital.
stores today.
Oh, I see. It's
I
We
bought
also-
$1,000 belt by accident
$1,000
because I didn't realize the exchange.
I see.
It's very stupid of me.
She thought it was $140, but it was
Right.
actually $900.
And I got to return it.
I see.
Yeah,
I see.
thank God. It was good.
So what do you guys do for a living? Like what kind of job do you do?
I work in
like modeling
marketing.
or-
Marketing.
Marketing. You
I
are
work in marketing
marketing
too.
as well. And
Yeah.
You too?
I'm a CEO.
CEO of
Yeah, of a
this
tech
company.
startup. Yeah, their
Really?
company.
Startup. You're from Canada.
Yeah,
right?
I grew up in like outside of Toronto,
I see.
Yeah.
I see. Okay.
but I live in LA now.
in LA now.
Yeah.
I see. I guess the last question would be, what was the most surprising thing, that you encountered in Japan? Like, you think about Japan.
How quiet it is.
Yeah.
How quiet
And
it
very
is.
quiet.
Everybody is.
Respectful.
Yeah,
Okay.
everyone's amazing and so kind, and
Okay.
it's so quiet compared
quiet.
to other big cities.
Yeah, we're not
I
used
see.
to the quietness.
You're
No,
really? LA?
no. In New York, it's just very loud and
Right, a lot of
people
partying.
honk and they yell on the street.
Okay.
When we met up with her, we all wanted to like scream and like get excited, but she wouldn't let us
I
because
see.
not respectful. You have to be very respectful here.
Okay. All right. So I guess thanks so much for your time today.
Thank
And,
you.
hope
Thank you.
enjoy
Arigatou
the rest of your
gozaimasu.
stay in Japan.
はい。まずね、一組目、ドイツ出身のね、カップルですけれども、ドイツね、Germany ですね。これ意外とこの発音ね、難しいんですよ。で、俊平さんもね、この jar っていう、っていうところがちょっと弱いので、Germany みたいな感じになっているので、ここのと少しね、くどいかなっていうぐらいに出した方が、英語っぽくなります。Germany,ポイントは口が横に行かないこと。じゃあって横に行ってしまうとカタカナっぽくなります。口はアヒル口。こう突き出します。Germany ですね。何してるんですかって仕事を聞いたときに、このお二人がね、We both work for IKEA って言ってますね。IKEA って何のことかわかりますか？ IKEA のことですね。で、日本語では IKEA って言いますね。で、IKEA は北欧ですよね。で、おそらく現地の、その北欧のスウェーデンかな？ちょっと怪しいな。フィンランド、スウェーデンかなの言葉では IKEA っていうのかもしれないですけれども、英語では IKEA っていうふうに言います。IKEA ですね。カタカナにするならね。IKEA っていうふうに発音するので、これもちょっと覚えておきましょうね。それからですね、この LA のね、お嬢さん方ね、結構なんかかしまし娘、ちょっと古いな、例えが。わーっとした感じですけれども、3人とも日本が大好きってね、日本に移住したいのって言ってましたよね。この We love it, we're gonna move here って言ってました。We love it, love it ですね。love it ですけどもね、やっぱり音がつながって love it になってますよね。で、we're gonna move here.We're gonna. We are going to です。be going to ですね。これね。何々するつもりですっていうこの be going to ですけれども、会話で we are going to とか、めったに言わないです。we're gonna. going to が gonna になります。we're gonna move here.We're gonna move here. move here が重要なので、we're gonna っていうのはすごい軽く発音してるんですね。英語ってこのね、重要じゃないところは軽く。で、重要なところにだけドンってストレスを置くっていう話し方がネイティブの話し方です。 それから、一番右端の方ね、I grew up outside of Toronto って言ってますね。今は LA に住んでるけれども、実はカナダ出身で、トロント郊外で育ちましたっていうふうに言ってますね。トロント、発音、Toronto って言ってますね。これね、英語の発音の法則です。N の後の T または D は脱落します。なので、Toronto ではなくて Toronto、No になるんですね。これね、知らないとね、聞き取れないです。トロントと思ってると、Toronto って言われた時に、はってなります。似たようなパターンで、Atlanta っていうのもあります。Atlanta。何かわかります？アトランタのことです。ね。やっぱり T が脱落するので、Atlanta となります。本当多いですね。インターネットも、Internet というふうになりますね。でもこれもルールで覚えておきましょうね。それから日本と、LA ですとか、ニューヨークって言ってたかな。ニューヨークなんかはこうでっていうふうにね、日本とアメリカの違いっていうのを聞いたときに、もうニューヨークとかすごいうるさいけど、日本はすごい静かって言ってますよね。で、ニューヨークの人たちは people honk and yell って言ってます。honk っていうのは、クラクションを鳴らすっていう意味です。ブッブー、ブッブーっていうのが honk ですね。で、yell っていうのは叫ぶですね。なので、クラクションを鳴らしては人が叫ぶと、早く行けよみたいなね。っていう感じで、うるさいと。でも、東京の人たちはみんなお行儀がいいっていうふうにね、言ってますね。このhonkっていうね、よく使うので、覚えておくといいかなと思いました。以上ですね、今回も使えるフレーズ、それから発音のポイントがね、満載だったと思います。何かね、コメントありましたらね、感想とかね、ぜひぜひね、下のコメント欄に書いていただけると励みになるので、参考にしたいと思いますのでね、あとこういう質問してほしいとかっていうリクエストもね、お待ちしております。励みになりますので、よろしくお願いします。ではまた次回楽しみにしていてください。See you!